Google just released this new designer mode. So what you can do here is design websites with it. So let's see some examples. This is pretty much like Figma, but with AI. It's called Stitch, and you can find it on stitch.withgoogle.com. It's completely free to use right now. So here you can see multiple designs created by this AI tool, and you can copy these over to Figma. So this is very interesting. This is an example. There is this employee feedback, and you can create designs for both mobile and for web. So you have different aspect ratios. The designs here look pretty nice. There is this personal portfolio library, and we can see all of the curves, the very new design. This is super interesting. So what the user has done is they have supplied an image of how they want the design to generally look. They added a very simple prompt, and boom, this is the result. This is pretty insane, and maybe we could potentially create thumbnails with it and then take screenshots. So here the user say create a landing page for homemade pizza. Stitch responds that, says add FAQ, and we can see the FAQ added. So you can take this design and then put it to Gemini 2.5 Pro, and with two very amazing steps, automate website design. So this is super interesting. Here you can upload a mockup, a sketch, or an image. You can select web or mobile mode. So this is super interesting. So I will create two designs just to test it out. This application tracks daily, monthly, and yearly expenses. The user can add daily expense, its category, cost, and type, and we can also allow the user to add its income. So Stitch is starting to create this application, which I will later use with a friend of mine, to actually create this application, because we really need it. We solve our own problems, we create applications like that, and I think that's super interesting. So we're seeing it work. It's on experimental mode right now. You can also change this mode, and if you're on experimental, you get a very better model than non-experimental. You can also edit the theme on the upper hand right corner, and let's see. I feel like Google has pushed so hard on all fronts. It's really insane. If you want to learn how to use the currently available AI tools, make sure to go into the link down below and join my AI Mastery course. It's hosted on Udemy. You pay only once and you get updates for a whole year. I will continuously update that course. Every single week you have new tutorials, new videos, new things to learn. And as the time progresses, we go into more niche and specific stuff that are even more useful. So I think that course is going to be the #1 course ever seen in the world in terms of AI and mastery. I'm really excited to show you the response. Okay, so we have finally the result for the design. Let's go over it. So first of all, you've got to make sure that you close your advertisement fields if you use Brave or if you use ad blocking tools. And this is how the UI is set and created like. So this looks super clean, looks super nice. It has all of the categories here, and this is amazing. Oh my God, this looks super good, and you can put that in Figma or edit it in place and continue improving this using the the AI editor. So let's say that I want to change the color. We also want to change the curves, and supposedly with these changes it will be able to perform that and change how the application looks like. Okay, so we're not going to care about this result right now. We will come back later. Maybe I should use the standard mode to get a response. So maybe run a secondary run. You could put probably multiple of these running, and you won't have a problem. You can find your old designs on the left hand side. We can also go for web and use our classic transformer page design, so you can generate that design as well. The other result is for the transformer model page. So this is on standard mode, and oh my God, it looks so beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Self-attention deep dive, and yeah, that's a very nice design. Clean FAQ, nice banner. It looks a little pixelated though. Another one is this transformer design. So it has put out multiple designs for each page. So that is super interesting. FAQ and footer. I don't know what's going to generate in this one, but who cares? Additionally, this experimental mode, we can see the differences between the previous version, which is the standard mode, and this experimental mode. As we have said, experimental mode is using Gemini 2.5 Pro, while the other one uses the Flash model. And in this case, I think that the Flash model is a little better optimized. I really like how it has colors in this, in this option, in this result. But I think that the final result that we have seen from Flash using standard mode is just looking better. It's simple, it's clean, but I think it looks better than the result of the experimental. So for now, I would suggest that you use just the standard mode. But this is a very interesting application. It can allow you to get your first UIs done correctly and beautifully. And after that, you can implement them and improve them. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.